Okay, so for the second part, basically, how we ended off from before, and from there there's some drum beats in the music, and this is another part that you're going to repeat later on, but there's some drum beats in the music, and you're going to ball change. So you just step left and then right, so bum bum, and then the words are, you were there to take me away. So you're gonna stay still on you were there, and then on take me away you're gonna go take me away. So you're angling your arms up, your right arm is extended, your left is pulled in, and then you're gonna go opposite. So your left is extended, your right is pulled in, and then down on like a down angle. So right is extended, left is pulled in. And while you're doing that, you're gonna go open while your right arm is open. You're gonna close when your left arm is out, and then you're gonna open again when your right arm is out. So it's, you were there to take me away, and then from here you're gonna turn kind of on a diagonal, and you're gonna go so close I was, so it's just a roll up, so close I was to heaven. So you're just gonna flip your wrists up and then gaze, and you're just gonna open. And you go, oh baby. So right, left, right. Oh baby, not. So it's, the arms are, let's just do this first. Right, right is in back of your left. Cross, open, down, and throw. So, oh baby, not today. So again, it's starting from the beginning of that part. You were there to take me away. So close I was to heaven's gaze. Oh baby, so it's actually just two. Oh baby, not today. And then from there, she's gonna go, there's like a in the music, and so you're just gonna turn. And then from there, it's, the words are, you're gonna drag me down, something like that. And so I'll just do it forward so you guys can see, but drag me down. So it's, you go drag me down, you follow me. So you're just gonna pull forward from the back. You follow me, sorry. Dark, flip up with your right hand, flip up with your left, and then roll back with your body. So it's down, or cloud, I think. Dark is cloud. Oh baby, not today. And then you're just gonna kind of do the opposite, not to, and then you're gonna go left instead of right.